Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually show the current date and time inside the terminal. So for this we are using the built-in datetime package. So if I execute this command here, if I execute the script here, it will tell the exact date and time, which is the year 2025, month 5, day 16, and also tell the minute to minute. This is your 8th hour, 8 minute, 29 second, microsecond. So if you want to basically show the details like this, so I will show you how to do this. So for this we are using this datetime module, which is a built-in module inside Python. You first of all import this. After that you get the current time using this method which is contained inside this module, which is datetime.now. This is the function which will return the current time, and then we can print out the attributes of now. So now to get the actual information, the year information, so there it basically has all the attributes. If I show you, if I print this, so this current time has all these attributes. If you see, this is actually your year, this is month, this is day, this is the time here it returns. So we can extract this. So current time, and it contains this property here which is year. Similarly, we can display this for the month, day, hour, minute, everything. So you will see it has all these properties here, which is your year, month, day, hour, minute, second, microsecond, and this is your time zone information and timestamp. So if you execute this now, you will see it will display all the properties separately. So using this built-in datetime module, you can easily display the current date and time information directly in the terminal. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.